Using my neem oil solution. I think I got it from this guy. Alright, so I'm back in my backyard bringing the pygmy palm back inside. I made a mistake, a big mistake. Hopefully it survives, but I didn't. I didn't drill a drainage hole, and I left it outside. So when I came back outside, it rained pretty heavy from Hurricane Michael, and it rained pretty heavy last night. So there was a ton of water in there. So hopefully it's going to survive from the wet feet. I just dumped all the water out, and I can see some of the branches are a little soggy and wet, but we still got some green growth. And then the reason why I took it outside is because of the white flies. I forgot the name of them, but I sprayed them with neem oil and left them outside to do an experiment to see if we could also help have native insects feed on the plant and eat the nuisance bugs. But now we got another problem. So hopefully we're going to bring this back, and I'm going to bring it inside. And I got my other one outside, which I think I drill a drainage hole in there, but we're going to see what happens. So I have another palm outside with the same problem with the white flies. What is the name of those bugs? But anyway, with the I brought it outside to do the same experiment. This one's okay. I did drill a drainage hole in this pot, which I should have did with that one. But I also seen a good sign. Left it outside. I don't know if you can see that there. That is a ladybug, and he is crawling on my plant. And I believe he is a beneficial, he or she is a beneficial insect to eat any pests that may be staying, aphids, whatever. I forgot the name of this guy. But I don't see any other pests, because they were hiding in these the folds. They were hiding in the folds of the leaves of the palm. See, there's like a little milk or something going on. I'm gonna dry that up and see what's what. But I'm gonna keep them there. I'm gonna keep the ladybug and bring this back inside. I see like little white flakes. I don't know if that's them or they're gone. Hopefully they're gone, because I nuked this thing with neem oil. I can't really see any more white flies. Just has like a lot of dots on it. So let's bring this back inside. I have the pygmy palm in my laundry room. It's separated from all my other plants just in case there is still some lingering white flies on there. And he's there too. You see the different pots. I'm just going to keep him there for a day or two to see if he bounces back, because like I said, his leaves are looking like a little mushy, and things are like falling off. So hopefully he survives. He really got saturated. Hopefully he survives. I hope. That was my first pygmy palm. I fell in love with her. I believe I got it from IKEA. But you can see it's like a nice trunk there. And a nice pot. And I've had it for maybe 5 years now. It's been kind of growing, but it's a slow grower. This one here with the ladybug, it's been growing pretty slow too. I'm just looking to see if I see anything on here. I'm going to be observing it a lot more and clean off the leaves and go through it a little bit better. And now I'm faced with another problem. I got my another cutting of my bird of paradise, and I forgot his name, and I have another palm there which I need to bring inside because it's going to get about 67 degrees on a high and a low of 42. And these are all tropical plants. You don't want your tropical plants outside in the winter. They can only probably survive below 68 degrees. Some of them 50s, but you want to be on the safe side. Plants are coming from tropical climates, so they need to be in tropical climate temperature, probably 68 and above, so you won't have any problems. And also have another plant, I have my climbing jasmine, and he needs to go back inside too. And I don't know if you've been watching, but I'm in a problem. I have a problem. I am running out of space for plants inside, and now I'm going to have to haul all these guys back inside to save their lives. And I have to work out some type of story to tell the boss why I'm bringing them inside, and hopefully arrange them where she is happy of the arrangement, because I need to get them there some light, and that light space is already crowded. So I'm gonna have to consolidate what I have here and figure something out. And I got more plants to show you. I got another philodendron there. I think I showed you that. That was a $5 plant. I got a Janet Craig, and that's a ivy that I had outside, trying to bounce back. That cilantro and that aloe. So we're in a situation here trying to figure out what we should do with these plants, and I got some thinking to do. So I'm gonna try to figure out where I should be putting these plants. I need to count them and get a idea of how I'm gonna house them in front of the window, and see if I can move them to another location.